awesome packing. Not even ripped. That's awesome. Not even damaged either. That's cool. Open the hood. There's a case. Oh, I don't need that. Portable case. That's really nice. Oh, what? You get iPhone and Type-C? On the other end, you got a USB port. And then another Type-C? Oh, that's cool. That is awesome. This would be a game changer for a lot of things, especially if you have like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Someone you want to play music to, be like, oh, you want to play music? Oh, I have an iPhone. Sorry, ma'am. I got the new one. Like, don't worry. Watch this. Boom. It's gonna be ideal. I don't need all those cables anymore. It's freaking sweet. That is a long cord.